Today I would like to present about the coding of my prototype on the AutoGate system. So as you can see, first of all I import the PyPico library at here, and because previous class and labs are using PyPicoW, so this need to configure different libraries at here. So first of all I import bot, import digital IO, and import time, and then the first things I do here is import and setups. So I set up LEDs, IR sensors, and switches, push button switches. So as you can see, the red light LED for the GPO pin, and green light, yellow, and IR sensor, and the switches. And I label them some state variables at here. So as gate open, gate moving, and obstacle detection. So I make it as a definition on the obstacle, check obstacle, so that the for the obstacle things. So as you can see, the IR value is non-read, so the yellow light will make a false statement here, and the other light too. When the obstacle is detected, the yellow light is on. And on the definition about the open gate, as you can see, the gate moving through and the gate opening is through. So I set up the green value, and when the gate moving, this is about the gate moving, so I set up the green value at here. And about the gate closing, there's a red value at here, so I keep some delays on it. As you can see on the demo, so you can see what is the delay I set up, the 5 second. So, and the below, this is the main loop of my codings. So if the switch 1 is applied, it's about first is I label it as a controller at here. So the switch 1 is pressed in the first, the gate start to open by blinking the green LED, and it's when the switch 3 is pressed, the green LED will make a stagnant move at there. And when we press the controller again, it's about closing. So the red light is start to blinking. So when the red light start to blinking, the green will turn off. So when you press the switch 2, the red light will stop, and that's the base coding. And about the obstacle on the IR sensor at here, as you can see, the yellow light will light up when the IR sensor is detected, and all the motion will be stopped. So for the check obstacle thing, check if an obstacle is detected by a IR sensor and update the obstacle detector variable accordingly. And about the open gate, I mentioned at here, is about the gate turning by the green LED on and wait for a specific time, and check for the obstacle duration of the operation. And about the close, the gate will turn on the red LED and wait for a specific time as adhered for the delays, and check for the obstacle during the operation. The obstacle keep on checking because so that the gate will stop at each moment when the obstacle is detected. And continuously check for the obstacle and respond to the switch. Press for example, I said here about 3 switches, that switch 1, switch 2, switch 3 I label here, and to open close the gate or change the LED state. And more than that, it's about I add some rebounds delay at here to avoid register multiple switch press due to the noise. Here I would like to present about my AutoGate prototype. As you can see, I use microcontroller PyPico and 3 LEDs, that red, yellow, green, and with 330k resistor, and 3 switches, is a push button switches with 10k resistor, and IR switch for the obstacle detection. And when the opening is for the green and closing is red, and obstacle detection for the yellow. So here I would like to present about my prototype. First of all, as you can see, I pressing the switch 1. So you got 3 switch. So the switch 1 is working as a remote, and switch 2 is working when the gate is closed, and switch 3 is working as a gate when open. So remote I pressing. As you can see, my gate is opening, and when reach the end, it's blink about 5 blinkings. So the gate is fully open. Now I would like to close the gate. So as you can see here, and when I press the closing one, it blink about 5 and the gate is fully closed. So now I would like to share about my obstacle detector. As you can see, the IR sensor here. When the gate is opening, suddenly something is moved across. As you can see here, the yellow light is glowing up. It shows the auto gate is switched in the middle. That's all from me.